I did the stars and bars method with 20 stars and 19 bars, and I got 15 choose 4.
20 stars, 19 bars.
19,
Can you say
19
the equation is what? That
sorry, what?
look, for example, for stars and bars, we had equation, something like this, right?
Yeah, I think.
Did you have any equation, or you only solve by stars and bars?
Yeah, I kind of just solved by stars and bars and
Okay,
choice.
so let me write. You said 20 stars?
Yeah.
Okay, how many bars?
There would be, in this case, 4 bars.
2, 3. It says exactly 4 times. So you want to split this into how many parts?
4 equal parts.
So when you want to split into 4 equal parts, then 4 bars we have, or something else.
1 second. Yeah. Would it be 2 4 bars? Okay, so if we split 1, that'd be half. Split it again, and that would be 3 pieces. Third time, 3. Wait.
I guess 3 bars. Because look here, 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts, 4 parts, right? Okay, so the answer would be what?
19 choose 3.
19 choose 3. Good job, but you have a careless mistake. This one is not right, but you should multiply by something else. You should multiply by what?
Let's see. Okay, so that's 19 choose. Oh, by the other options for... I didn't know. I mean, would we multiply it by, like, how many...
Pay attention to these 2 figures, then you will understand why we should multiply by a number.
Okay, so switch to your... Still 4 points. Oh, yeah, we could rotate. Well, not rotate, but that's a basically mirrored version of that. How do we... Yeah, I think I see why it would need to multiply, but I'm not sure what to multiply it by.
Okay, so look. Yeah,
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear what you just said.
Do you agree we have only right direction and up, right? Have my audio? Can you hear me? What about now?
Yeah,
Is
now
my
I can
audio?
hear you.
Okay. So I said, do you agree we can go only up and right? Agreed?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
for example, when you place 3 bars, then for example 2, but these 2 to which direction? Right or up, right?
These 2 in the first diagram are to the right direction.
But we can be 2 ups, right? So we have 2 options to do. For example, if this one is right, this one is up, right, up. Agreed?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me just check, find the number of such passes. Exactly 4 times. It has exactly 4, so we should have 4 bars, right?
Yeah.
Agreed? Okay. So you said 4 bars, that's correct in the beginning. Because look, it says 4 of these, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts, right?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, for example. If the first one is right, like here, right, up, right at the end. Or like this, you can go up, then up, right, up. So for each case, you should multiply by what?
Times 2?
Exactly. So it is our answer, right?
Okay, I see.
Okay, and 19 choose 4. If it says find the number of such passes that change 4 times, exactly. Okay. And it doesn't have anything. So this number is greater than, I think, yes, obviously, greater than 1000, right? I think
Yeah, which
in the end it should say that find the answer in terms of 1000. And let me tell you something about it. Let me check AIME
okay.
problems. To
Huh?
see. Let me check AIME problems that do we have something like this at the end that does not find the answer mod 1000 because otherwise our solution is right. It says find the number of these such paths that have 4 like that. One thing I didn't ask you. Why is it 20 stars? I forgot to ask you.
20. Wait. Oh wait, I think I. One sec. Let me check my answer about that. Might be that I mixed something up for a second when I was transferring it. Oh, I meant to say 15 choose 4. That's why.
Okay, so why is
Not
it
19.
15 choose 4?
Because there's going to be 16. The path is
Yes.
of 116,
So we should
and then
have
yeah.
16 stars, right?
Yeah. And 15 spots to choose from.
Okay, 15 spots to choose 4, right?
Yeah, I know I checked it.
Okay, then if we concept 15 choose 4 times 2, what happens?
Alright, let me just quickly calculate that out.
So we can divide this on this one, 7, right?
Huh? Yeah.
So this one also, the degree is greater than 1000.
Yeah, I would
So from here, we
estimate.
understand that we have a Keller's mistake. Let's read the problem complete. It says consider the paths of length 16 that follows the line from lower left corner to the upper right corner on an 8 by 8 grid. Okay. Oh. So here, do you agree, for example, you say 816. If the first divider is here or here, do you agree we cannot go right more than 8 parts, right?
Yeah.
So do you agree it will be greater than our answer? Understood? What's the mistake? For example, look, suppose the first part is 9. Then it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 outside of this, right?
Oh, I see.
So,
So, yeah,
so
that
these
makes.
paths will be bad. So that's the reason it's not good. Let's solve it with,
Most things.
let's do something. Because usually when we use the stars and bars, we create some equations and then solve. Look, the
Okay.
first one, for example, we say x1, right? x2, x3. These are for rights. This one is y1, y2. So we have two equations in terms of x1, x2, x3, y1, y2. Can you tell me those equations are what?
Okay, let's see. Oh, yeah. X1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 8, and y1 plus y2 is also equal to 8.
Exactly. And can you tell me xi's are at least what?
Xi is. Xi would have to be greater than or equal to at least 1.
Yes, and yi at least what?
Also has to be greater than or equal to 1.
So how many
Wait.
answers do we have for this one?
17 different ways to do that?
So let's use the stars and bars. How many stars are there? How many
Oh,
bars?
yeah. I forgot
Uh,
to use stars and bars. Okay, so here there would be, yeah, 8 stars and then 3 segments, 3 bars.
3 bars?
Wait, pretty sure that's how it works. One sec. Oh, yeah, no, 2 bars.
Exactly.
Confuse me.
So it would be what choose what?
It would be 8 choose 2.
What choose
Wait, no,
to?
7 choose 2. 7,
Oh,
7 choose 2.
exactly. What about
Yeah.
this one?
Okay, that one would be 7 choose 1.
Then 7 choose 2 is what?
6, 21.
Exact. 7 choose 1 is what?
7.
So the answer would be what?
So the answer, like, so if that's how many ways there are to choose either one, then we multiply those together to get our total path. Okay, that would be 147
Yes, and at the end, you should multiply by what?
by 2.
Yes, because to begin with all or you, right? So the last answer is what?
All right, 280 was 294.
Exactly. Okay. So let's solve this. Look, if, for example, we had something like this figure, let me show you this figure. Your approach was correct because number of R's plus number of U's is always, for example, 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have always 6 R's and U's, right? You can say 6 R's, 5 R's, 1 U, 4 R's, 2 U's. But for this one, number of R plus number of S cannot say it's always 6 and all of them work. Because number of R always should be 8, number of U always should be 8, right? So we should solve them separately.